Hello class 6th, I am Ashok, your English teacher, present here with a new video for you. Today I am going to discuss some of the text of the chapter number 7 of the book Honeysuckle. The title of the chapter is Fair Play. So let's start the discussion with the title of the chapter. The title is Fair Play, which means respect for the rules or equal treatment of all concerned. Now see, there are certain questions in the before you read column. Has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What did you do then? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend what you thought? So these questions are there to arise your interest in the story. I advise you to answer these questions in your notebooks, as here in the video we cannot discuss the questions. Now let's read this story about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or a sense of what is right and what is wrong. So to know this, let's read the story. This is part 1 and today we will just do the part 1. Fair play. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhry were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. So, in this part of the text, we are told that there were two friends, Juman and Algu Chaudhry. The bond of friendship between them was very strong, and when one went away from the village for some works, the other used to take care of his family. Both of them were respected in the village by all the villagers. Now see what is there in the second para. Jumun had an old aunt who had some property with her. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. Jumun and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limit. So, certain difficult words are there. Became indifferent. It means lost interest in or did not care for. Grudged means gave unwillingly, felt angry, unhappy about giving. Swallowed means swallowed these insert mean tolerated them. Now see what was there. Now what happened? Juman had an old aunt who had some property with her. This property was transferred to Juman by his aunt with the condition that he would keep her in his house and also look after her in future. This arrangement worked for about 2 years, and after that situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the aunt, and Juman and his wife both became indifferent and did not pay any attention to the well-being of the lady. Juman's wife even didn't want to give her little food. If she gave, she used to scold her unnecessarily. For few months, the aunt didn't say anything, and she digested all the insults and humiliation with her food. But at last she could not remain quiet, as her patience had its limits. She could not wear insults anymore, so she decided to do something for her to avoid the future conditions or situations. Now see what is there in para number 3. One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. So in this part of the text we read that one day aunt spoke to Juman that she was not wanted in his home anymore, and she asked him to give her a monthly allowance. Monthly allowance means money for expenditure of the month, to set up a separate kitchen for her. Juman shamelessly told the aunt that his wife better knew how to run the house. After hearing such nonsense answer from Juman, aunt became angry and she decided that she would take her case to the village panchayat. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, no, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. What is it, right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said. Algu didn't reply, what her words kept ringing in his ears. So, two words are there which may be difficult for you. Make it up means stop quarreling, come to an agreement with. Mum means quiet or silent. Now I will tell you what was there in this part of the text. After deciding to take her case to the village panchayat, the old lady was seen talking to villagers and telling everything about her case to them with the hope to get their support. So the villagers gave their reactions differently. Some sympathized with her, means showed their concern towards her. Some laughed at her, and some advised her to make it up with her nephew, Juman, and his wife. At last, she consulted her case with Algu Chaudhary, but he said to her that Juman was his best friend and how he could go against him. The aunt tried to convince him by saying that if it was right for him to not to say anything, to support what was just and fair, she requested him to come to the panchayat and speak the truth about her case. But Algu could not say anything. At the time, what the words of aunt were being still reflecting in his mind, he became thoughtful about what aunt had said about her case. So today we will discuss till this part. Next part will be discussed in the next video. As homework, write the summary of discussed part in your notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.